Got a little bit of wind picking up over here. See, like up above me, like the trees? Yeah. So I've been noticing from time to time, like the lights flickering and stuff. Like my closet light, it flickers from time to time, and yeah. I'll update you of what happens.
Holy balls.
It may not look as entertaining on camera, but the wind's blowing, the leaves are falling off the trees. It's looking pretty cool. This is kind of my setup here. I have my wireless charger right here. I'll plug my phone into it in a minute. Right over here, plugged into the computer, I have the little Game Boy, as you saw in the other video. I've got my Nintendo Switch plugged in. My Game Boy, I just have sitting here. I got my worm light that I can use if I need to play it. I've got my DS, my 3DS charging. And yeah. Keep getting brownouts and stuff. Gotta hate it. Of course, up here I do have the emergency light. So if it goes out, it'll illuminate the stairs and whatnot. I'm just chilling in the set of that other video that we filmed. So everyone else has no power. Like, Still Crown doesn't have power right now at her place. So it's just me. I guess I'm doing the filming right now. But yeah. This is weird. Cause this hasn't happened in a while since there was a storm in April where the lights went out and things were snowy. Oop, I cussed. In the winter, we consider snow to be a cuss word. Because we know the snow's never good. Not gonna lie, it kind of reminds me of that Jim Cantore thing, where like several states have a warrant out for him, because they know when he comes into town, the weather is about to go crazy. Well, we just got back home. We went out to do some errands and stuff, because why not? I got bored. Yeah. Still Crown's power came back on, and then I think it went back out. So that's just fun. Our power is still on. I think we're doing good. Okay, everybody, here's proof that Still Crown is okay and has lights.
Hey guys, Still Crown's recovered
from the power outage from earlier, but we fear it may go out again on both of our ends. So, yeah. Here's me down there. Hello, hello, hello.
Yo.
Yeah.